How to contact company on Indeed.com. So first things first, you cannot directly message these companies if you are a job seeker. You have to wait for them to reach out to you first as a message if they are a company or recruiter. But what you can do a workaround is come here. So for example, instead of doing apply now, if you do apply now, what will happen? You will be taken to their application form. You cannot contact them from here. What you want to do is open their profile. Okay. Go ahead and open their profile on Indeed.com. And then what you're going to do, scroll down, open their website link right here. And as you can see, you have their contact right here. You can come here, call them. You can go ahead and also email them from this whole list of emails, or you can come here and contact them through here, enter your full name, your email, phone number, city, and you can write a comment or question right here. So that is how you contact them.